Okay guys, don't be shocked. But me and my friends are selling Pokemons. If you see me, look at my face. Good, good. You're seeing my face? We're selling Pokemons. If you're seeing us holding Pokemons, buy some. I'm gonna say the prices. Um, we have a lot of we first golds. We have gold. Look. Ah, look at the golds. Look at this. And there's VMAX. Look. We're selling this. See, it's so gold. And this is real, no lies. This is real. A nice, my friend gave it to me. We're selling this. Bro, we're selling this. This is 20 pesos. 20 pesos. So if you have 20 pesos and you're seeing us selling, buy it now. Okay, if you don't want to buy it, don't buy it. And we have silver. Silver. See that? It's silver. Look at this. It's so silver. And we have another one. And look at this. What's this? What do this mean? V evolution. I just know V max. And look at the another one. It's basic. That's okay, right? Look, it's just basic. That's okay. Oh yeah. And we also have blacks. Look at this color. It's so black. And it's rainbow too. Okay. Wait, where's the rainbows? Wait, where's the rainbow? Oh! It's here somewhere. I remember that I have rainbows. Wait. Uh, where's... Oh, here it is. Oh, that's not a rainbow. Wait. Oh, I think I found it. Oh yeah. This is rainbow. Wait, this is not the one. I have unreal rainbow character. Where is it? Oh, wait, I forgot. I can remember this. Oh yeah, I forgot this. Okay, let's go. Let's find the rainbow. It's somewhere here. Oh, I think I found it. I think I found it. VMAX. VMAX. Oh, this is not it. Because I remember I have rainbow. Wait. Old. Old. Wait, where's the rainbow at? Where's the rainbow? Okay, I think I need to, mess this up. But I'm not gonna mess it up like that. Okay, good. Let's go. Mm. Oh, that's the guy. Yeah. By the way, our rainbows, the rainbow cast, this rainbow cast. I forgot. Let's do it. If you're unsubscriber, I'll give you 5 pesos for this. But if you're not a subscriber, I'll give you 30. 30. That's good, right? Okay. So, I cannot... So, all of this, the normal one, like that, is 5 pesos. So, buy Pokemon if you see me. Okay? With my friends. Wait, if my one friend come with us, we're four. But if he didn't come with us, we're three. Okay? Got it? So, I'm happy if you buy some of this. Yeah, some of this. Bro, oh, oh no, oh no, bro. I messed up the block. Wait, that's okay. Wait. You still gonna buy it? We have two blocks. Wait, that's not good. We have two blocks. That's block right. Wait, we have two blocks, and we have two silvers, and we have two golds. Good. Oh, my favorite is the golds. Look, I love gold so much. Wait, earlier I have three golds, but I gave the one gold to my friend. And that's my friend. If you watch this video, I, the title is I'm playing outside. Okay? If you watch that, that's it. And who's vlogging? Who's vlogging to that's AJ. Wait. If you subscribe to him and you're watching this video, subscribe to me too. We're cause Brian family on top. Wait. Okay. Last and please. Wait, before I post this video. Wait. Who will sell tomorrow? If that's okay. We'll always sell. Don't forget to like and subscribe.